Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to discuss about, how delete statement is going to work in a SQL. Deleters used to delete records from a table. Let's say you want to delete any specific record based on a condition, you can just go with a delete. Very simple. Just use delete from the table name and you just need to specify which row you have to delete it based on a condition. Let's say you want to delete a specific student information, just specify ID equals 1. Okay, without a weight loss, it will affect all the rows will get removed. So be careful related to this. Okay, so let me switch to a Postgre and let me show you like how exactly this what I can see deleters used in order to delete our records. So basically I have this table with me, right? So let's see my first question is delete records or information related to rhythm. So how do you delete record related to rhythm? So simple, delete from your table name, which is employee data, where if I say employee name equals rhythm, if there are multiple employees with the same name, so it gets affected. So better to specify an ID. See, it's going to delete Rida's related information. You can cross verify by using select statement. See, Rida related information got removed. Next one. But if you want to delete record related to Mary and Zara. Again, same thing. Delete from your table name, which is employee data, where employee ID and multiple records you have to remove it, right? ID 102, ID 103. Don't give a names because multiple people can have the same names, right? Done successfully, we have deleted records related to Mary and Zara. I hope it's clear. Thank you. Happy learning.